Hello everybody, welcome back. Margot
Cute tulip.
cute tulip, okay. We are going to enjoy a cute tulip. In the meantime, Margot is having a snack. Like she is eating biscuit. So let's not disturb her and start straight away on our tulip. Okay, tulip are quite simple to be honest. They should be, to make it cute, let's make it to be with a big flower and eventually a small vase. Yeah, let's do that way. So we can have the first shape to be almost like a vase itself for the flower, and then we will have, okay, and here another one, okay, and then we have a couple of more petals just inside. Then we can create the low part to be straight, so we can see it, and obviously the vase will be in here, and the vase it's a simple rectangle that goes shrinking towards the end. There you go. And then we have just a couple of leaves in here. So let's do that like this. Yes, that's cool. And put them right in the middle. And then we have another one in here. Actually, it's going upwards instead. Here. That's cool. And now we can go with the
Cheeks.
face first of all. Let's make it really smile. So as usual for our drawing, we do the open mouth, the tongue is just a curved line, and then we color black whatever is in. Yes, and then we can put two little eyes, one in here and one in here, and reflections, and yes, closing it, and eventually eyebrows. Yeah, that looks cool. Let's put it here so you can see it better. And obviously, as usual, it's our brand sign.
Can you put a love heart on the vase?
Love heart.
Huh?
Okay, we can do that.
Wait, actually a flower because it is a flower.
Oh, so you want to put a flower back there? Okay, then we can put it, the stem we color it, make something different. Let's take the blue and a little flower like the ones in the cards. It could be simply like a circle in here, another circle, and another circle, and
That looks like that's a shamrock.
yes and no. In the cards, this is called flower.
No, it's a shamrock.
In the cards, in the play cards, that's called flowers. Okay, there we go. It actually went cuter than I thought. What do you think? Nice, right? Okay, guys, Probably this is the last one for today.
Yeah.
Well, you will have it in the.
Because I'm tired. I had a sleepover yesterday.
Oh yeah, but we are not going to talk about it now. Guys, have a nice rest of the day, and I hope you like it. And see you in our next video.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.